Wapi kelele ya Oscar Sudi? Inua mkono hivyo, inua.
Acha tuone mwingine.
Haya.
Nituregete kuona aini a Mount Kenya mathiete kuria Karen mathiete mucemanio metetwo ni the deputy president Kithure Kindiki na horo ucio ukirirwo na njira imwe na reactions nyingi muno guku nenda-ini na even in politics and in Mount Kenya politics maikorwo magiukirirwo na njira imwe nene muno because people saw them as sellouts, andu mathi gukorwo magikunyanira ruriri na ika escalate kakua a very big issue haria tuonire nginya Rigathi Gachagua kiumire na gukorwo agikumithia uhoro ucio na njira imwe nene muno and this story became an issue of politics, exchange of words in political platforms. Now uhoro nduri hau kuona ati muthenya wa Friday ne kwari na empowerment forum kuria Kapseret constituency, empowerment forum area ya constituency ya Oscar Sudi, and guess what, Oscar Sudi held more than enough to offer the people of Kapseret. Economic Empowerment Forum irakorwo ikihura na njira imwe muno, nirakorwo ikituthura ndereti imwe nene muno guku nenda-ini kuona ati ekorwo atwaritwo indo nyingi muno iria ni worth bia nyingi compared to Economic Empowerment Forum cia area ici ingi. Now uhoro nduri hau kuona ati in that Economic Empowerment Forum ni kurari na aini a gutumbuiza andu, na aini a Mount Kenya ndio walikuwa wengi pale hivyo. Was it about entertainment or politics? At this point when kirima kwena maundu maingi muno marathi na mbere kirima-ini, clearly the mountain is not with William Ruto. Kwena a lot of things and the people in KK government marageria na njira ciothe gukorwo makirehe kirima back na ni mageretie na njira ya wanasiasa, and you all know the results. What could be the next step? Gukorwo makihuthira aini tondu nio mena numbers na followers makira. And now muthenya wa Friday aini ni mathire kuria na pale hivyo magiokirwo na njira imwe muno. I observed something on that day. Ni kwari na aini agikuyu aingi muno na makeina. I also expected, because of the broad-based government, ntokorwo na muinta Musa Jakadala kana Prince Inda, in terms of numbers, the equivalence of Karango in the Nyanza region, the equivalence of Karango in other regions, you get. In respect to broad-based government and national unity, agikoroni national unity na maundu macio mothe, but the fact that they were not there, it means that this is all about politics. Kaundu gaka ni gagukorwo gekega kuri aini aria me purely ni aini matire na ambitions ingi outside gukorwo mari aini, but come to think of it, mundu ta Ngaria Junior uria urakorirwo akiuma kiama-ini kia DCP na rakorwo akiingira thirikari-ini, right now do you think Ngaria Junior has a future in politics? Right now do you think Ngaria Junior has a future in politics? Augaga ni ararugama kuria Subukia. Do you think thaici maundu uria mahana bado no akoro mundu ungithurwo kuria Subukia? Personally, I feel that Ngaria Junior has reduced himself to just amsani. Ni araigetwo kiwango kiu kia mheshimiwa tondu, you know, there is a level you put yourself in terms of how you make decisions, you know what I mean. But the fact that amekuwa kigeugeu hivyo once na thaici tutiramuona nginya mishemanio darathi eta mheshimiwa. Unajua hata mtu mwenye anataka kuwa mheshimiwa anaonekananga amekuja hii event kama mheshimiwa. Nionekanaga huyu amekuja kama mheshimiwa, but thaici Ngaria Junior arathi mishemanio hata muini. Koguo arawererwo hata muini. When it gets to that time, are people going to take Ngaria Junior serious? Are people really going tuandamana na misafara ya magari pale hivyo na misururu tusubukia to go and campaign for Ngaria Junior? Ama wataona tu huyu ni msanii anafaa kuwa campaign kwa road show zetu? I honestly feel that wasanii wa Mount Kenya wanajiangusha ile mbaya. Ni kwena besha kuo, there is money, but there is more to money, especially at a time when loyalty is being tested. Nejo, this is a very controversial statement. Very controversial. na in fact no hena mundu ni njui no akorwo akirora video na akorwo akiuga giki ni kirimo na ndare kindu ari no kwaria araria. But the truth is, your loyalty is being tested at a time like this. Mundu ta Samido thaici very lucky tondu uhoro uyu ura happen ire na rakorwo ni arathie tour UK. If he was in Kenya tucoke tumuone micemania-ini iyo, it would have been bad. But Samido kuratuika ni ararugama kuria Oljororok na ona kuria UK, he's listening to the people. Ndronire video akiina kuu watu wakimwambia aseme one time, anasema ni one time na inywe mwauga ni sawa. And I think it should be that way. As msanii kwanza, especially mwenye uko na ambitions, nirona ndireda kuruka magite fulani, be very reserved, be your choice of words. Dronire Garia Junior kwanza hapo state yake Ruma Gachagua, that was very unprofessional. Anyway, dio maoni maku megi uhoro uyu. Ni vile nimejam tu sana na hiyo story, na ndauga no nginya ngoro ngika story ino nigetha njigwe maoni manyu megi uhoro uyu.